folks, it's Matt Bowe with Matthew Bowe Design Build. We are on site at the foot of the Blue Ridge Mountains at one of our projects that's currently in design. It includes the restoration of this 18th century bank barn behind us that's going to be upgraded to be an event center, which is quite a big undertaking and something that's very popular out here in Loudoun County. So in a minute here, we're going to be meeting one of our vendors, Jay Smith from Heart Pine Floor Company. And Jay's coming up to look at this project for us. He's out of Charlottesville, and we're going to talk about resourcing different types of reclaimed lumber for the interior finish of this building. Come on inside and let's take a look at this building. It's really fantastic. It was built in the late 1800s. This is a timber frame building. There's a number of these throughout Loudoun County. They are fantastic structures, and we're really excited to have an opportunity to preserve and restore this one and really give it a use that's more appropriate for today and for our client. Hey, how are you? Good to see you.
Yeah, good to see you.
Thanks for coming up. Yeah. Appreciate you making the trip up here.
Absolutely.
Right, so you know this building here, we're taking a look at converting it, retrofitting it for the clients for an event center and even for family events. We've asked you to come up here and take a look. You've done some similar projects and talk about what types of wood, things we can use, the reclaimed products that you provide to really take this up a couple of levels and make it a beautiful event barn. So thanks for coming up.
Yeah, absolutely.
And let's go take a look.
Yeah, let's do it. Looks awesome. Yeah, the easiest thing here would be to lay down a layer of 1-inch stock here over top of that section. And if it doesn't come up all the way over here on this end, you can create a transition.
Yeah,
if you had to.
Transition strip right there.
Matt, tell me, so when I look at the outside of this wall, I see that the columns or the exterior frame is slightly leaning to the left. How do you either straighten that up, or is that being secure, or what do you do?
Right, and so over the years, the wind comes from this direction, so that building rack is just from the wind on that. So we've talked to the client about, first we got to weather in this building, because you can see all the holes in the siding already.
Yeah.
So when we strip all that, we will see if we can pull some of it back. We probably won't get all of it out.
Okay.
But then we can add some lead-in bracing on this to lock it all in place and stabilize it. And then we'll resheathe the exterior inside it, and it'll all be, so it'll always be a little bit out of plumb.
Okay.
That's kind of the charm of these buildings. But we'll take a look at that and other modifications we've seen to the building. We'll get our engineer to take a look at it. And we'll make sure that what we do is stabilize and secure everything, make sure it's all meeting code. But the building will always still have a little bit of the out of little out of square, out of plumb. But again, that's the charm of these old buildings.
Okay. And then the white boards compared to the dark boards, is that weather related, or is that?
No, so at some point in time, they just replaced the siding.
Okay.
But just like we see all the holes over here, just must have, and again, that's the weather side of the building. That's where all the weather comes from. So I'm sure that's deteriorated more than others.
Okay.
And so they've replaced the siding. That's more modern. It's newer than the original siding, obviously.
Okay.